Beautiful back here. So I think Murray was saying that like the third or another lift there potentially would have been down in here somewhere, coming up and going up back towards where that other T-bar was up there. All right, man, this is so cool. Oh, there, I was just looking for some evidence. I'm glad I didn't trip over it, but you can see the foundation right here. So this would have been the bottom of the cable tow. Oh, that's cool. All right, let's get cracking. Look at that, man. Wow. You're definitely getting up here right now. Alright, gotta go stop, catch my breath. There's a ski run down there. Looking back down. Wow, this is so cool. In one video, this is the story I was telling when Lloyd was up here working, Mr. Edwards, on this bull wheel up here as a kid. He went spinning around on that. You can tell it's getting steep because I'm huffing and puffing. Wow, look at that. This is the time of year to come in the springtime. It's absolutely beautiful. Remnants of a snow fence. Try to keep some snow on the lift line coming up here. Wow, this is awesome. Almost there. This is steep. Getting real steep. Wow, look at this. Oh, there it is. Wow. There's where the top of that lift would have been. So, someone down there that would have come up, lift would have ended right here. Look how steep that is. Wow. Man, that is like never did ski down this area, but this was on their property, and that's potentially down there where another lift would have went. But I bet you the last time I was up here was probably when I was a little boy, and I saw Mr. Edwards go spinning around on that bull wheel. So that's probably 1974 time frame. There's another snow fence, and I'm assuming this is what you can see of the trail going down here. But you can see on this side the more mature trees on this side. So my guess is basically from like right there over to about right here was the width of the trail going down there. So it wasn't really wide, but it was pretty steep. But look how high up we are. You can see This is absolutely beautiful.